Hello students, today I'm going to discuss about the question pattern of IIT JAM Mathematics. You know that there are 60 questions are there, and some questions are, there are three types of question, that is MCQ, and in the fill in the blanks you just write the answer, and multiple answers possible for a single question like A, B, ABC or ABCD. Now, what is the pattern of the question? Remember that in the very first structure where only one answer is right, you can get sections from all the parts. For example, you can get it for real analysis, infinite series, vectors, you can get it from graph and group ring field, all these things you can get. And differential calculus, integral calculus, these type are very common. Now, even if you go to the second segment, it is not that thing, that's a continuation. Some type of question will be repeated over there, and even in the third segment it happens. There is no specific structuralization for this, but it has been seen that the matrix questions are like 4 to 5 questions, modern algebra based questions come in the mostly in the first part. Differential calculus based questions come in the first part, and also there is a very high percentage in the second, and the integral based and the relatively high calculation based questions directly come in the third part. Group and that kind of questions come in the mostly in the first segment and the second. Now the real analysis and all the second, first and second. Third is being for the direct questions where the numerical answers are a prerequisite, and without any particular choice of a theoretical perspective you can answer this. Now, even while practicing at home, you need to finish your paper at least 30 less minutes than the examination time, because it has been seen that at the time of examination you may need to think or overthink, and the situation of the classroom and the area and the zone is different, and every time although the question pattern is over the last I would say 2012 or 13, from last 7 or 8 years the question pattern has been same. So there is not a very high fluctuation we are expecting it to be relatively same in this year. So if you do the past years, if the first question, among the many questions I received, the first question was if I do it the past year, so will it be helpful? Obviously it will be helpful, but don't expect that any question will be repeated. In the past 8 years I haven't seen a single question is repeated. So they are only the same type of question may be coming. For example, in they can say how many possible solutions to this equation system, which you can do it by ranking structure in the echelon form of matrix, or they can ask you in this differential equation, this is the number of parameters are being provided, this is the variable, what is the total number of equation structure are needed to find the full solution pattern. Or they can ask you in this differential equation, what is the order and degree. Remember that order and degree based very hard questions I have seen in coming into examination. So if you do the order and degree type of questions, so it will be easier, and all the types if you do it will be easier for you. Second type of the question is if doing it from any kind of graduation book, will it be enough? Answer is no. You need to do it from a relatively better book which is being written for a higher standard, and I would also recommend you to go for engineering mathematics books also, which has a very good understanding, and also foreign author and Indian author books compilation, and also the other books which are available in the market. I have also made some books, so you can see all the books together where the MCQ is been a prerequisite, because in the graduation books MCQ is not the main focus, so sometimes it is problematic for you to get a direct grip. And the third and most important point is while giving the examination, every time you remember that you don't need to see the full question. Why? It's a very new thing I am saying, because it is an MCQ examination and out of 60 you need to answer 60. So you are not going to waste time. Let's see, read the first one, let's see the second one, let's see the third one. If you can't do the first one, then go to the second one, that's a different thing. But here, seeing the entire paper is not recommended at all, where you have to answer anyway and you have to go for full Monty for everything. So you need to try to answer as much as possible. So in that case, we are not going to waste time into this, and we are directly seeing it. But just by taking a glimpse into the question, if you are interested in linear algebra, then I directly go for the linear algebra segment. If your interest is in differential calculus, then you need to find those questions and directly do it. That is possible. Okay, then again waste some time, but this is also a fruitful area. But seeing the full paper and doing it like one after another, that is not being recommended, at least for those examination which doesn't offer you any kind of options. And remember that while doing it at home, please try to find the full answer. Okay, what you do, so you look like, okay, it seems an easy question. So in a normal matrix, maybe rank finding question in a 4 cross 4 matrix, what you do, you just do it till the first 2-3 lines, and you know you will be able to find it. But at the time of examination, but the echelon has to come and you have to find it, so it becomes a real test. And most of the cases we have seen that people are not finding the answer. So it is recommended, please find the answer at least for your home based purpose, not the 2 days before the examination where you're going for the full revision for the entire syllabus. That's a different thing, but in normal cases it is very much recommended. If you have any more other questions, you can directly comment here or text me on the number provided in the description. We will be there for you.